No. I'll tell you the name in a second. This guy's a master chef. He uses 3 different flours. He was in. I'll look this up again. I had it here. And it disappeared on me. Okay, so this is the udon restaurant. Everything from udon to soup stock to tempura is at a high level. It's very popular even after the move, and there are long lines. Tenkomori handmade udon, Tenkomori. Okay, so the restaurant was in Tsumori, and he moved obviously because he's got a big shop. But it's famous for its delicious udon because he matures it for a day. When I say mature, he lets it rest for a day. And then, he uses 3 different flours. The curry udon is the number 1, and another one that's, and if you put cheese topping on it as well. But I'm not going to go there. All I'm going to do is say we're going to try a curry. Today's the perfect day to try curry udon. And there's also the umami of the Japanese dashi stock works well, and it's a mellow umami of the curry. So it'll be interesting. What else have we got? And we'll probably do a katsudon as well, a chicken katsudon. Yeah, I might do a cold one today. My throat's stuffed. Just the weather, it's just been insane. But the chef is good at what he does. Yeah. Oh, it's cold.
Can't see anything in the restaurant from here. It's got his own merch.
Gotta get some merch. That's the first top end udon store I've seen that has merch.
Right?
It's kind of pretty cool.
Oh, these are the 3 flour noodles. Not quite sure how clear this is coming up on camera, but we're in a snow flurry.
Yeah, it might be 4 degrees, but it's got a wind chill factor of -2 or 3. I'm cold. Cold. Gorilla cold. That's exactly what I was going to order. Katsu, curry, everything meal.
Perfect.
So it's katsu, udon, and curry udon. And we're going to share with Amber. Amber Damber. Hey.
Hi. Hi.
Yep.
Katsu curry. Service. Small rice. Service で small rice ついてます。
No rice.
No rice.
No rice. ありがとう。ありがとう。
はい。少々お待ちください。
So here we are.
I always like seeing what the condiments are. I think this might be tempura shards, just to add texture.
Well, Sheffy's pretty
pickles.
good. So whatever he's doing.
Oh, that's going to be spice.
Oh my goodness. That's got my nips hard. I tell you what. I think Back to the station. And
Oh, it's getting heavier out there.
yeah, it's getting harsh. You know what? The great thing is it's not raining, it's snowing. I prefer it to snow because if it's wet and you're cold at the same time, you just feel miserable.
Can you scan the kitchen from where you are?
I stuck my finger on it. What am I doing?
Just scanning the kitchen.
Oh no, just no. I don't want to do that. It annoys me when people do it to me. Just from a distance. Oh, this is weird. You know what? I'll tie it this way, then I'll just put it on.
Sure, that's going to go over your head?
Well, no. Yeah. You're hilarious, Amber.
Oh, I know.
Come on. Slowly. Oh, look at that. To perfection. Touch and go there for a while. Chef is cutting and rolling some water. Should go over there and record that right now. There you go.
Arigato.
Did you get the noodles?
I did get the noodles.
That was just awesome. Oh, this is great.
Right?
What I'm saying is that finally someone gave them to us at the start of the meal.
Well, to be fair, they gave it to us at the start of the meal somewhere else, but we just didn't know what it was.
I just didn't know what it was, I'll be honest. I've never seen one.
Well, it was all folded up like a napkin.
Yeah. Under the plate. It's creepy and weird. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the portion size, it's perfect.
Oh, it smells amazing. What have you got in there, beef? Bit of tofu?
Tofu. Green onion. You got katsudon.
Itadakimasu.
You prefer this one or that one?
That one because it's smaller.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Because I'm looking at this going, ooh. But if you throw in a little piece of katsu, just
Mate, I just wanted to taste the noodles and the curry.
oh, that. What I'm saying is, can I just have a look? I'm trying to do this left-handed.
There you go, baby. Go nuts.
Thanks. Have you tried the base yet?
What's that?
Have you tried the base yet?
Watching you mess around in my bowl. Oh yeah. This was worth coming for. If you're going to come to this town, you do this sauce. That is an amazing sauce. Soup.
No.
So now,
Okay. So 3 flour noodles. 3 flour noodles.
I get it. It's a bit softer. The texture's amazing.
Yeah. It's softer, but it's still springy.
Yeah.
How's the katsu?
This was great. Deep fried pork, what do you reckon? Deep fried pork and curry sauce. Jesus, what a combination. If you're going to have a problem with that, you shouldn't be eating. This literally is the perfect winter food.
Right?
If you're in Melbourne, you'd only put it on between May and August.
Yep.
There's no need. There's so many better flavours. I'm not saying curry's bad flavour, I'm just saying it's a perfect flavour for weather. You can't possibly want to eat, you could not possibly want to eat this in a Melbourne 45-degree day.
Oh.
Or Sydney anytime after October. Or in Brisbane at all. Those noodles are great. But this soup base. Jeez, the boy's got it right, hasn't he?
Yep.
It's not too sweet.
And the tofu really soaks it up well.
Lunch! Bye.